Then what?
If this pretender wants to follow Malcolm Merlin so badly, he can follow him right into a grave. Sarah, we'll find this guy.
I don't want you to.
What do you mean?
He wasn't after you, Ollie. He's after me.
Who is he?
He's called Alawal the First. And he's a member of the League of Assassins.
Wait. League of Assassins? I thought they were a myth.
What's the League of Assassins? And please don't say it's a league made up of assassins.
No, it's an urban legend. I heard about them in Afghanistan from a tribal leader. He claimed there was an ancient sect of assassins, deadly warriors that killed and vanished like ghosts. Thought he was smoking what he was selling.
I tried to tell you, Ollie, but you wouldn't listen.
That's where you've been the past 4 years. That's where you learned to fight. You're one of them.
After the freighter, a member of the League rescued me, took me in, and brought me to Nanda Parbat. They remade me into what I am. And I swore them my allegiance.
Why are they kicking down doors?
What do we do now?
What are you doing? Oliver told you to stay put. I thought you didn't want your father to know you're still alive.
I don't, but it's better than him not being. Where do you think you're going?
With you. I'm not gonna let you go out there without any backup.
Dig, you may be a 3-tour Special Forces veteran, but I was trained by the people that make the Special Forces look like a kindergarten class. So step aside or get put down.
It's your funeral, Sarah.
Wouldn't be my first.
No, it can't be. It can't be Sarah.
It's me. It's Sarah. Daddy, it's okay.
Sarah? Sarah? Guns are a coward's weapon. What are you without your sidearm?
Guy with a spare.
You think because you're the beloved, you will be granted your freedom?
There's only one freedom. Let me grant you yours.
I can't let you go. I can't let you go.
I'm sorry. Dad, I have to go. Keep them safe.